Okay, it is Wednesday afternoon. We're at Bayview. This guy was dropped off day before yesterday. Looking for a chance to get this guy into surgery. Girl, sorry, I'm not trying to be sexist. Um, she was brought in by a very caring individual, good Samaritan, who noticed, who got it from a friend actually, and noticed this leg was sticking out and does not go back in, and she is not feeling it. Um, so there was a lot of blood in there as well. So we're gonna try to get her to get sedated so we can open up her shell and see what kind of damage is done. Chances are we're gonna amputate this leg right now, um, simply because she's, she's completely locked up, and she does not care that her foot is sitting out there. All right, so I will have to struggle to get this part open, give her injection, and then from there, hopefully she'll relax for us, and we'll be able to get this leg taken care of. All right. That's it. This is stage one. Okay, we have successfully sedated our tortoise with some milk of Michael, also called Jackson Juice, and called propofol as well. Anyway, I learned people are gonna get mad at me. I learned that from human nurses, and everyone seems to have a sense of humor. So if you don't have one, don't post. I don't care. Um, don't advertise it because people will start to recognize you in public.
Sorry.
That's slightly better than belching on camera.
Can you actually see me? I don't know if you can see me.
I don't think that's the camera that's on the super wide vision.
I don't think anybody needs super wide vision. I feel like that wouldn't be flattering for anyone.
Quit.
All right. That blood vessels were just right. I wasn't sure how well it was going to hold.
So when will she get released?
Probably she'll be released this year. Excuse you mean? I've gotten handled a bug while I was out bike riding during lunch.
You better not have.
Why?
I already think I'm sick. You're talking about swallowing a bug.
Well, I meant like a bug.
I know. I made a pun.
Okay, gotcha. My eyes are watering. I want to cough so bad.
Okay, just walk away.
How's that hurt?
Feel better? You're crying.
Fixed turtle. Didn't worry about it.
Oh, hello. Her head's poking all the way up.
She's relaxing. There is something in my chest. It's crawling around like a bug.
Go get some water. Drink your drink real quick. You don't use your hands for that.
I'll finish this.
Hello there.
That goes back in the turtle. We don't want you outside. I'm trying to cough away from you.
It's fine.
And as far as I know, outside of insanity, I don't have much to give you.
Is insanity contagious?
I've heard that.
I think it's genetic.
My dad does not want to hear that this is his fault.
My insanity is my mom's fault.
No, I can see him agreeing to that. Crying because the turtle's in so much pain. Not really, it's under anesthesia. Okay, later.